Argue, argue. When people argue, they do not agree with each other. The boys argue about whose turn it is. Now you say argue. Argue. Exhausted, exhausted. When you are exhausted, you are very tired and worn out. The runner is exhausted after the race. Now you say exhausted. Exhausted. Journey, journey. When you go on a journey, you travel from one place to another. The young man took a long journey over the mountains. Now you say journey. Journey. Traveler, traveler. A traveler is a person who travels or goes on trips. The traveler looked at her map to see which way to go. Now you say traveler. Traveler. Remove, remove. When you remove something, you take it off or away. Dad used a hammer to remove the nail from the wall. Now you say remove. Remove. Clutch, clutch. When you clutch something, you hold on to it very tightly. The girl likes to clutch her doll tightly. Now you say clutch. Clutch. Furious, furious. When someone is furious, he or she is very angry. I was furious when my kite broke. Now you say furious. Furious. Loosen, loosen. When you loosen something, you make it less tight. Grandpa uses his hands to loosen his tie. Now you say loosen. Loosen. Gently, gently. When you do something gently, you do it in a soft and careful way. The girl gently places another card at the top of the tower. Now you say gently. Gently. Wrap, wrap. When you wrap something, you fold or put a cover around it. My sister uses colorful paper to wrap a gift. Now you say wrap. Wrap.